Today I am here with a new DIY. Have you seen the previous video making a sling bag with your old jeans? If you've not yet seen that, here is the link. First you go through that, then come here. Today I am here with this new denim headband. If you want to know how to make this beautiful denim headband, let's get started. For making this denim headband, I've taken a plastic plain headband like this and a piece of denim cloth which is left after making a sling bag out of a jeans. Now I'll cut two pieces of cloths with width half an inch each. Once you're done with cutting these pieces, I'll keep them aside. Now we'll work with this cloth. For my convenience, I'll cut this into two halves. Now I'll fold this cloth into 4 layers. I'll take a paper which is already cut in a circle. I'll take that as a template and cut this piece of cloth into small circles. Make sure to take minimum layers for your convenience while you're cutting. Once you're done cutting circles, they look like this. So let us repeat the same thing with the other cloth. Once you're done, you'll get 10 to 12 circles like this. So now we'll learn how to do petals. I'll take one circle first. You can see dark colored side and a light color side. I'll take dark color side to the inside like this. Let us do petals first. For that, I'll apply a hot glue at the center of the circle first. Later on, I'll bring 4 sides from the circle to the center like this and stick with that glue. This is the petal. Let's do another petal. I'll apply some hot glue at the center of the circle and bring 4 sides of the circle to the center. Let us do all the petals with the remaining circles. I'll keep one circle separately to make a base. Once you're done with petals, it's time to assembling all the petals like a flower. I'll take that leftover circle and apply glue to the tip of the petal and stick it to the center of the circle in a vertical way. and I'll take another petal, the help of this glue, I'll stick it adjacent to the center petal. I'll repeat all the same process with all the petals like this. Once you are done with attaching all the petals, flower look like this. Once you are done with it, it's time to make a headband. I'll take this plain headband. Now it's time to attach this piece of cloth which we kept aside like this around the headband with the help of a glue. So let's do that. Once you are done attaching the cloth, it will look like this. If you have any excess thread like this, you can just cut them. Once you are done with this headband, it's time to attach flower to the band. This is the center of the band. I'll attach it 1.5 inch away from the center. Apply glue to the flower and then attach it to the band. This is the final look of the band. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. This is Pratyusha signing off.